I wanna see Wuhan. Oh, I really wanna see Wuhan.
So I'm in Wuhan. So it's just about perfect weather right now too. Perfect weather, perfect part of the evening, and I just came in. We got this right here. And what I'm gonna do this evening is show you a little bit of this road while I look for my hotel. So I don't know how far away that's gonna be, but lots of people walking down this main street in Wuhan.
I wanna see Wuhan. Oh, I really wanna see Wuhan. Wuhan. Oh yeah.
Hey, okay, welcome to Wuhan. So I got 18 episodes that I filmed in 2024 of the summer. So this is just one of 18. I'm gonna do the other 17 maybe once every 5 days. So if you subscribe and like this channel, you can find another Wuhan in 5 days, and another one in 5 days, another one in 5 days. And as I accumulate all 18, I'll put them down at the bottom. I'll have links to all 18 as well. So if you find this later, you can go to it and take a look. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the preview of it before I play the video. But as you can see behind me, you can see some of the images that I'm gonna be coming across. You can see streamers, you can see like kind of funny characters, lots of interesting stuff. And you can also see me interact with these people kind of like a little bit near the end, so you can stay tuned and see what we're talking about. So anyways, keep on watching, and we'll have more of the Wuhan series. This is just number one of 18. All right, subscribe and keep watching so you can see all 18. Links are down below. Pretty cool. So they just finished their singing dance. I think they're gonna take a break. But we're gonna walk down, I think I'm gonna walk down the other way. So this will be our first introduction to Wuhan. And I'll be filming here for a couple days. Like I just walked out. Okay, so hopefully I can catch more of that. I'm gonna just walk down the main street here. And this one is called Jianghan. So that's the Jianghan Road, and that's the metro that comes right down to this walking street. And I'm gonna be walking, looking for my hotel, which I believe is directly down this way. Let me capture that a little more. It's kind of cool. Hopefully I can catch more of that later. Okay, so we are going to stroll down Wuhan, the pedestrian street, and I'm looking for my hotel, and I don't know which direction it's going to be, but it doesn't matter because I can capture all this anyways. So this is the main pedestrian street, and it's just about perfect time of the evening. City walk. I love Wuhan. Very cool. Oh, that's cool. I love Wuhan. Huh. Got some kind of cool stuff here. So I'm looking for the Dorset Hotel. And I don't know if this is the end of our walking street or what here. Right down that way. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of information about myself. So basically, I live in Macau, and I'm just taking a little bit of time to go into China, starting with Wuhan. So I just flew here today. Just came out of the airport and entered into the train line, and just came out of the train line. Oh, they're making a movie here. Okay, so we're looking for my hotel. I'm also looking for numbers of the buildings, but I don't see any yet. It definitely came out at a good spot though. So we are going to walk all the way down. So this little technique, sometimes I'll walk towards the people, that way viewers can have something to look at. Otherwise you just see the back of people. Okay. Let me come on over to this side. So I'm going to walk down, probably, it's kind of cool because my hotel's going to be right in this space. And I don't know if it'll change later. This is kind of the perfect time of the day. I was going to get to the hotel first, but when you got the lighting like this, those apartments. Jianghan Road. So that's the name of the place that we're at. It'll open up to a little square here. Put the trash right there. Oh, we got a streamer right here. Oh, that's cool. I knew that there's a lot of streamers in China, so there's one right there. It's lip syncing as well, so that's kind of cool. Zara, it's right there. I love Wuhan. It's right there. That's kind of cool. I love Wuhan. I'm gonna get some good footage here. This is like perfect. There's all these kind of cool streets everywhere. I was just looking down these other streets. I don't know if I might even be. Actually, when you come into Zhuhai, one of the issues is that the Google Maps doesn't work properly. Those kind of streets down there look kind of interesting as well. It's cool that we saw a streamer. I was mainland China has a lot of streamers, so I was kind of hoping to see some. And actually today it's only it's amazing. There's a cool thing over there. It's only Wednesday. Didn't expect this. Okay, so we're looking for Dorset Hotel. There's another streamer coming up here. I'm gonna come over because I want to see what this is. Looks like all these people are coming out of that building. There's a streamer right there. There's a couple. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Hello.
So, streamer. That's cool. 你好。
你好，你会说中文呀？
I don't know, but I see you got the streamers.
Hello.
直播
Nice.
来直播间不要个兄弟姐妹们，现在我们都是属于大家的朋友，大家的朋友。
So I don't know how the streamers work exactly. So I don't know if I just don't know how it works. I know they get paid money though. This is super cool. Got some kind of cool stuff over there. So I gotta find my hotel. I hope this kind of, I hope I can film at nighttime too and it comes out okay. Look at these side streets. Ooh. That guy just kind of flew right through. There's a green light, but he's just ripping through there. Okay. So we are going to nice balconies too. Okay, so we're still looking for my hotel. For all I know, I'm going completely the wrong way, but it's okay. I want to capture this anyways. There's some motor scooters coming around everywhere too. Let me see. So the designs. So yeah, they kind of let all the, I guess those are picking up the trash. And it looks like my lighting is starting to go down a little bit. So I don't know how nice this is going to come out. But anyways, this is Taste of Wuhan. And I just came in. I'm going to get to know the city a little bit better, so I'll be able to film better. I'll know more streets to film. I think I'm going to lose my lighting shortly. But yeah, these main streets in China are kind of cool. You got some nice side streets too everywhere. Okay. Oh, we got some more kind of interesting stuff. Okay. I guess we're already at 10 minutes. I didn't know if I was going to get some cool lighting or not. Oh, there's some cats. Oh, that's cool. Looks nice. Those are massive cats. Okay, we're going to keep on going. You got Wuhan talent in here. So they actually do ear cleanings. So, kind of cool. Hello. They're drumming up some business. So, okay, I'm gonna have to come to an end here, and we're gonna see where I am on Google Maps. It's gonna be a little bit off, but oh, I see. I think I already passed where I'm supposed to be. I see my numbers now, so 140, 142. I'm actually going to be right on the street. This is going to be kind of cool. So let's go back. I'm going to just keep the camera with me. I'm at 118 and I see the numbers 138. So just stick with me and go back here. And if I can check in quickly, I can get back out here before it gets too dark. Actually, lighting's even better going this direction. So 134, I'm looking at 118. Okay. So I think my hotel might possibly, we'll see what it looks like. I think I'm gonna bring the camera up here, and this will be the first Wuhan video. I'll probably do some more, of course. Some different streets, different stuff. And it's a Wednesday night, and it's kind of lively and kind of cool. I like how everybody's all kind of out and about for the evening on this walking street. Okay. So 126, so I think mine is going to be 118, which I think is going to be to the left here. Just are getting a taste for the city a little bit for this walking street on a Wednesday night. It's about 7 p.m. right now. So I think my hotel is going to be right up here. This could be really cool. Yeah, I think that's it right up there. Oh, that's kind of cool. There's a little okay, so I think what we're coming to is 118. So we're right on this corner, and I think it's going to be right in here. I'm going to have to put away the camera and come to an ending spot. So this is a taste of Wuhan. Definitely got some motorcycles coming through, honking their horns. And we're going to do an ending while I find the hotel that I'm supposed to be at. I found the hotel right there, Dorset Hotel. So this is going to be a nice little space in here. Some nice architecture. And we're going to come on across. And we're going to go down. So there's Dorset Wuhan right there. So we'll see what room I got, but we're right in the thick of it. It's perfect. Kind of walked right to it. And we'll show you, I think I'm going to end it or start it.